Xin chào các bạn. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Vietvuive channel. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important parts of the Vietnamese language. Tone. Vietnamese is a tonal language, which means the meaning of the word can change depending on the tone you use. In Vietnamese, there are 6 tones. Each tone gives a word a completely different meaning, even though the spelling might look the same. Okay, so let's start with the first tone, the flat or neutral tones. This is super easy. Just say the words without changing your voice at all. For example, ma means goes. No rise or fall in your pitch, just a flat sound. Next is the rising tone or those. Imagine you are asking a question like when you say what? Your voice go up. For example, ma means mother. You should feel your voice rise a little. Now let's look at the falling tones or dấu huyền. It's like you are saying something slowly and your voice drops at the end. For example, ma means bat. Your pitch fall for like you are feeling tired or relaxed. Ma. Next is the creaky tones or dấu hỏi. Your voice dips down, then up slightly, like you're unsure. For example, ma means turn. It's like a little dip in your voice, kind of like when you're thinking or confused. Now for the tricky ones, the breaking tones or dấu ngã. It's like a little bounce in your voice. For example, mã means horse. Your voice kind of breaks, going up and down quickly. Finally, we have the heavy tones or dấu nặng. It's like you're stomping your voice down, very short and quick. For example, ma means right-centering. Your voice should drop heavily, like hammers. Alright, now it's time to practice. Let's go through the word ma with all the tones. Ma má Let's repeat them together. Ma. One more time. Ma. And that's it. You have just learned all 6 tones in Vietnamese. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Vietnamese tones may seem tricky at first, but with a little fun and repetition, you will able approve in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more fun Vietnamese lessons, and leave a comment if you master the tones. I would love to hear how you're doing. See you next time. Hẹn gặp lại.